This video will explain what are the common UPI Lite problems and solutions. First, we will see what is UPI Lite. UPI Lite is a small wallet inside Google Pay. Using that, you can make small payments quickly without entering your UPI PIN every time. Problem 1. UPI Lite option not visible in Google Pay. Why this happens? Your bank does not support UPI Lite. Google Pay app is not updated. UPI is not fully set up. Solution. Update the Google Pay app. Check if normal UPI payments work. Try again after some time. Important concept. UPI Lite works only with supported banks. Problem 2. Unable to enable UPI Lite. Why this happens? Temporary bank server issue. Internet connection is unstable. Bank UPI service is down. Solution. Check your internet connection. Wait for some time and try again. Try enabling during non-busy hours. Problem 3. Payment fails even with UPI Lite balance. Why this happens? Payment amount is above UPI Lite limit. Shop QR code does not support UPI Lite. App glitch or network issue. Solution. Keep payment within 1000 rupees. Use normal UPI for bigger amounts. Restart Google Pay and try again. Problem 4. UPI Lite balance not updated. Why this happens? App sync delay. Temporary network issue. Solution. Close and reopen Google Pay. Check balance after a few minutes. Refresh the app. Important concept. UPI Lite balance updates may sometimes be slightly delayed. Problem 5. Money debited but payment failed. Why this happens? Payment was interrupted. Temporary system delay. What happens next? Money usually returns automatically. Refund may take a few hours or one day. Solution. Wait and check UPI Lite balance later. Contact Google Pay support if not resolved. Problem 6. Cannot add money to UPI Lite. Why this happens? Daily limit reached. Bank service issue. UPI PIN problem. Solution. Check if you reached daily usage limit. Try again after some time. Make sure your UPI PIN is correct. Problem 7. UPI Lite balance is zero. Why this happens? You have used all the money. Automatic usage without noticing. Solution. Add money again from a bank account. Keep track of UPI Lite balance regularly. Problem 8. Accidentally paid using normal UPI instead of UPI Lite. Why this happens? Payment amount is above UPI Lite limit. Shop does not support UPI Lite. Important point. This is normal behavior, not a problem. When not to use UPI Lite. Do not use UPI Lite for large payments, important transfers, emergency payments. Use normal UPI instead. Now we will see the summary. UPI Lite problems are usually temporary. Most issues fix themselves with time and retry. You have to keep payments small and within limits. You can use normal UPI when UPI Lite does not work.